Hi, this is Itiar from Beamster International, and in this video, you will learn about QDMS and what can be achieved with the different modules of the product. Let's get started. QDMS stands for Quality Document Management System, but it is much more than that. In fact, the document management part of it is just one of the modules on QDMS. I will log into the demo environment with a username and password that belong to a regular end user. On QDMS, we differentiate between two types of users, end users and administrators. The former group has access to the main menu, which is the Integrated Management System tab that you see on the top left of the screen, and the latter group has access to the main menu and also the configuration of the system. What you see right now is the home screen, where all the pending tasks the user has to complete are classified by type. For example, Kevin here has a list of documents to read, a progress report about a CAPA to write, an external customer complaint to review, or a survey to fill out. By clicking on the main menu, we can access the different modules available on QDMS, but not every module, just the ones this user has access to. You will see in a minute that during the configuration of QDMS, we have to determine the authorizations we want the users to have. We will select the modules that they have access to and the tasks they can perform based on their role, the group they belong to, or the department. Kevin here has access to the most frequently used modules on QDMS. He can access the documents stored in the system, the customer complaints, the corrective and preventive actions, also known as CAPAs, the audit activities, the action management module, the management review tab, the survey module, the training plans, the event notification section, and finally a module about the impact that the company has on the environment. I will log out now and access QDMS as an admin user, so you can get a glimpse of all the modules available in the system, but also to take a look at the configuration menu, which we call the System Infrastructure Definitions tab. You can see that there is very little difference between the two menus, and the reason is that we have to configure each module separately. The first section is dedicated to the global settings. So this is, for example, where we define departments, employees, positions, user groups, authorizations, customer suppliers, modules, roles, workflows, etc. Then we could upload all the documentation in bulk into QDMS and decide how we want to manage it. Regarding the customer complaints, we could define complaint topics, evaluation categories, potential root causes. We could define the non-conformity categories in which we'll divide the CAPAs, questions that we can ask while conducting an audit, types of actions and sub-actions, and many more options. The configuration of the product is part of the implementation phase, and once it is completed, the system will be ready to go.